We're at it again for the 5th year in a row. The Career Ready with CTMA Expanding Opportunities is set to go. This year, we are doing 300 industry placements within the precision metalworking industries. Eligible participants will include new apprentices, high school graduates, post-secondary school graduates, and post-secondary school co-op, job seekers, and also upskilling existing employees. Are you looking to hire new employees this year? We can help you. Employers can receive up to $5,000 for one placement, up to $10,000 for two placements, and up to $15,000 for 3 placements within our Career Ready program. The placements last from 10 to 16 weeks. Placements can be consecutive, so if you start early enough in the calendar year, we can fit 3 placements in. Right now, you're probably thinking, where's the catch? There is no catch. The money comes directly from the CTMA to your company to help support the training that you're doing every day. That's the simple premise of the Career Ready program. We believe that the majority of training takes place at your place of business.
Any organization that brings companies together of a like mind are going to be a bonus. So the CTMA is great. You've got news and information, and in this case, with the Career Ready program, programs that they can help bring to your attention. You wouldn't have known about it if you weren't part of it. If you get kids interested early, and then you combine that with programs like Career Ready through the CTMA, it's only going to help push the young person or the new apprentice through. It's going to make it easier on both sides.
Financially, they help us out. They have this program from the government that they pay for us to train the employees. So the decision is so much easier to hire someone.
We said, why don't we pay the companies? Why don't we help compensate the companies for doing training that they do every day? Be sure to watch part 2 of our Career Ready program, where we continue to place high-tech equipment in schools throughout Ontario. So don't delay, come get Career Ready with the CTMA.